Hello everyone. Today we will discuss daily current affair quiz 29th June 2022. So let's start the video. First question is, which global bloc launched a USD $600 billion global infrastructure plan? And the options are A. BRICS, B. G7, C. G20, D. European Union. Answer is B. G7. Explanation: US President Joe Biden announced on Sunday a G7 project to rival China's Belt and Road Initiative by raising some $600 billion for global infrastructure programs in poor countries. Next question is, which is the most livable city in the world as per the EIU Global Livability Index? And the options are A. London, B. Vienna, C. Copenhagen, D. Geneva. Answer is B. Vienna. Explanation: Vienna has been deemed the most livable city this year as per the annual ranking of the world's most livable cities by the Economist Intelligence Unit, that is EIU. The ranking was released on Thursday by the EIU, which is a sister organization of the Economist. Next question is, when is the Micro, Small and Medium Size Enterprises Day celebrated? And the options are A. 18th June, B. 21st June, C. 27th June, D. 30th June. Answer is C. 27th June. Explanation: the United Nations General Assembly designated 27 June as Micro, Small and Medium Size Enterprises Day to raise awareness of the tremendous contributions of micro, small and medium sized enterprises to the achievement of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Next question is, which country has launched a solid fueled rocket named Zulzana? And the options are A. Israel, B. Iran, C. Russia, D. North Korea. Answer is B. Iran. Explanation: Iran has launched a solid fuel rocket into space. Defense Ministry spokesman Ahmed Husseini said Zulzana, a 25.5 meter long rocket, is capable of carrying a satellite of 220 kilograms that will ultimately gather data in low Earth orbit and promote Iran's space industry. Next question is, who has been appointed as the Chief Executive Officer of NITI Aayog after Amitabh Kant? And the options are A. Arjit Patel, B. Subhash Chandra Garg, C. Parameshwaran Iyer, D. Rajesh Bansal. Answer is C. Parameshwaran Iyer. Explanation: Parameshwaran Iyer appointed new NITI Aayog CEO to succeed Amitabh Kant. Parameshwaran Iyer is an IAS officer of the Uttar Pradesh Kendra and former secretary of the Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitization, who spearheaded the government's Swachh Bharat mission between 2016 and 2020. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and do subscribe my channel for more videos.